Okay, part C, find the value of this here. Now, we've got a bracket squared, so we're squaring the bracket, which means you times the bracket by itself. Okay, so you need to write this out twice, because that's what we do when squaring. Times by itself, bracket times by itself. So here we're going to do FOIL, right? And just take our time on this. So we do the first to begin with, yeah? So write it down here, so there's plenty of room. Root 63 times root 63. When you times the root by itself, you just get the number inside that root, okay? You don't have to work out 63 times 63, none of that nonsense. You just appreciate when you times the root by itself, it's the number in that root, okay? And we've seen that before. So that's the first. Then you do outers, okay? So the ones on the outside, root 63 times 7, okay? And there's a minus there, isn't it? So it's root 63 times minus 7. Now, that can be under 1 square root, okay? You can put that into 1 square root now and do 63 times 7 like that. I'll work it out in a minute now. Let's do the inners then. So the one's on the inside, and it's going to be a minus, isn't it? And then root 7 times root 63, it's the same sort of thing. And then the last in each bracket, now you've got two minuses, haven't you? So minus times a minus becomes a plus, and root 7 times root 7 is 7, okay? That's the number itself. Now we've got to do 63 times 7, all right? You can do that by the side here, okay? If you just do 60 times 7 and 3 times 7, whatever way you want to do it, 6 times 7 is 42, and add the 0, 420, and 3 times 7 is 21, okay? So add them together, you get 441, okay? 441. So this will equal 63, take away square root of 441, take away square root of 441, plus 7. Now the square root of 441 can be done. It's actually 21. Okay, so both 21 there, plus 7. Okay, and one of the ways I know that is because I know square root of 400 is 20, so you could build up then to get square root of 441, if that makes sense. Okay, if you know 20 squared is 400, okay, then what you could do is say, look, okay, well, 21 times 20 will be another 20, so that's 420. And then 21 times 21, well, that will be another 21, so you get 421. You could sort of think of it that way. Anyway, work this out, and you get 28, I believe, as an answer.